drop.
Yeah.
You want to go down and down, so you get battery out. Wow.